everyone, and welcome back to the kitchen. My name is Daniel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and super creamy buttercream frosting. So we're going to start by creaming 2 sticks of unsalted butter. And then I'm going to start measuring out 4 cups of confectioner sugar. Now to our butter, to counteract or balance out all of that sweetness, we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give that a whirl a time or two. Wonderful. And then I'm just going to sift the powdered sugar directly into my stand mixer's bowl. And I am using the paddle attachment. And just start that out on low. Again, you don't want powdered sugar flying all over the place. And now, as is usual, we're going to scrape our bowl down. We don't want any dry pockets of confectioner sugar or unmixed butter in there. It's also a good idea to scrape the paddle down as well. All right, folks, when you're adding in your heavy cream, you're going to just drizzle it in a little bit at a time, because sometimes a 1/4 cup is too much. Continue whipping for another 2 or 3 minutes so it is not grainy when we put it on the cake. All right, so as you can see, this almost looks like whipped cream. It is so light and fluffy. So I'm going to put this in a bowl and set it aside until we are ready to frost a cake. This will keep on the counter at room temperature for up to 3 days. You can store it in the freezer for up to 3 months. Just put it in the refrigerator to thaw. All right, everyone, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And go ahead and subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. And we'll see you at another time.